Your heart is an amazing machine, so if you know the anatomy of your heart, like different types of heart vessels, valves and cavities, you will definitely be amazed. In this video, we have examined the anatomy of the heart, like different types of heart vessels, so watch the video to the end. Before watching the video, like the video, press a subscribe button and turn on the bell so that as soon as a new video is released, you will be the first to visit the video. Have you ever seen the movie Wall of Pixir? In this movie, all the robots have a task or goal, which they have to do without interruption, because this is an important part of their planning. Think of your heart with these characteristics. Your heart has a function, and that is to pump blood. It is true. The other organs of the body have more than one function, but the heart has only one function and is one-dimensional. If the heart makes a mistake, everything will go wrong. Your heart is a natural machine that allows you to work at full capacity. Now let's look at the anatomy of the various components of the heart, such as a detailed description of the heart vessels. Large coronary arteries. Pumping blood from the heart to the outside in a closed vascular circuit in the body can be complicated if it is irregular. The large arteries of the heart allow blood to flow to the arteries and veins. There are a total of 4 large vessels, corresponding to the number of cavities and valves in the heart. Types of heart vessels. Aorta. It is the largest artery in the body. It receives blood from the left ventricle through the aortic valve, and divides into branches of the left common carotid artery, left subclavian, and brachycephalic trunk. Pulmonary trunk. An artery that supports pulmonary blood flow by transporting oxygen-free blood from the right ventricle to the lungs to exchange gases. The pulmonary trunk and its branches are the only arteries in the body that carry oxygen-free blood. Upper vena cava. A vein that collects oxygen-free blood from the upper half of the body, and that blood is received by the right atrium. Inferior vena cava. A vein that collects oxygen-free blood from the lower half of the body, and that blood is received by the right atrium. Coronary arteries of the heart. The heart not only carries blood to the whole body, but also to itself. The coronary arteries supply blood to the hard tissue, the coronary artery carries blood to the hard tissue, and the coronary vein carries oxygen-free blood from the heart tissue to the right atrium. Myocardial infarction, or heart attack, occurs when the blood flow to the heart provided by the coronary artery is blocked, usually due to plaque formation. If oxygenated tissue cannot reach a tissue, the tissue dies, the heart weakens, and a scar is left. If an artery becomes blocked, coronary artery bypass graft surgery may be needed, in which a piece of healthy artery is used to create a new artery, and a new artery is created instead of the arteries that are blocked. The oxygenator allows current to flow. Cardiac conduction system and cardiac anatomy. Have you ever been surprised that your heart beats non-stop and without mistakes? We should be thankful for the guiding system of the heart. The conduction system of the heart is a system that is controlled by the autonomic nervous system, which releases electrical impulses that cause the heart muscle to contract or the heart to beat. It pumps every contraction of blood through the vascular system to the outside of the heart vessels. The heart conduction system is made up of a number of fibrous nodes in bundles, and each electrical impulse is transmitted in one way. The atrial sinus node is where the emulsions begin and then move to the ventricular atrial node, where they stop, then to the His bundle. Between the atrial and ventricular sinus nodes, the atrium contracts and pumps blood into the ventricles. During the His bundle, the impulse travels through each bundle to the 2 ventricles, then to the Purkinje fibers. Between the bundle branches and the Purkinje fibers, the ventricles contract and pump blood out of the heart. It takes about 0.22 seconds to complete the cycle of each electrical impulse. On average, the heart beats about 100,000 times a day. On average, a human heart beats more than 2.5 billion times in a lifetime. Now you understand why we call it an amazing machine and why the arteries of the heart have very strange and interesting mechanisms. If you like this style of video, then subscribe and support me with your likes and comments.